In the extreme northeast of Italy and the region of Friuli Venezia Giulia, and in particular in the Gorizia border area between Italy and Slovenia, we find an area of land which is incredibly special from the landscape, history, grape growing and winemaking points of view. This is Collio, where, since ancient times, prestigious wines have been produced, which are amongst the best in Italy and therefore in the world. The area between the Isonzo, Torre and Natisone rivers forms the cradle of quality drinking, composed of great DOC wines produced by well-rooted established companies that have contributed to the promotion of Collio throughout the world. Recognition for the appellation as Designation of Origin Controlled was granted in 1968. This hilltop zone is particularly pleasant and relaxing, as mild as its climate due to the protection of the Julian Alps to the north and its vicinity to the sea, which can be seen on clear days. It is an area dotted with small hamlets and partially covered with splendid vineyards, basking in sunshine and the positive influence of the marine currents. The hilltop earth in the Collio is principally made up of layers of marl and sandstone, which formed the ancient seabed and slowly emerged from the waters over millions of years. These rocky formations broke up easily when attacked by atmospheric weathering agents and led to the formation of topsoil, rich in minerals and ideal for viticulture. These, together with other factors, exalt the qualitative characteristics of the grapes produced, whether they be red-skinned or white-skinned, and the wines made from them glean all the quality on offer. The reds are intense and velvety. The whites have elegant and harmonious aromas. A multitude of wines are produced in this territory. Some are famous and some are more niche-like, yet all of them are absolutely special. From Cabernet Franc to Schioppettino, from the Istrian Malvasìa to Chardonnay, from the Tramìner Aromatico to the Friulano, and then the superb Piccolit. The list is almost endless. The La Ponca estate extends throughout the Schioppettino territory, a hamlet of the commune of Dolégna del Còllio, over a total area of 40 hectares, of which 16 are cultivated with vineyards, and the rest are given over to woods and meadows. The land is made up of layers of marl and sandstone, known locally as Ponca, from which the company takes its name, underlining once again its close links with the territory. The vineyards of the La Ponca estate are cultivated on terraces, according to the varied morphological and physical characteristics of the land, and just as varied are the microclimates on the estate, which lead to a great diversification in the type of grape nurtured and consequently the enological output. The primary objective has always been aimed at the production of special wines with strong character that are able to express all the elegance and richness of the Collio area. Amongst the wines produced by La Ponca are Ribolla Gialla, Malvasìa, Sauvignon, Friulano and Schioppettino. Wines with unique aromas and taste which satisfy the needs of even the most demanding of connoisseurs.